In this tutorial, we are going to take a tour of basic scene creation with Josh. To start, there are 3 ways to create a scene: via voice or text command, through the Josh app, or using the Josh portal. Today, we'll focus on creating basic scenes with the Josh app. Firstly, navigate to the scene page. This can be done by swiping left or tapping the scene icon in the navigation bar. Once you're on the scene page, you'll see all the scenes currently set up in your home. To create a new one, scroll to the bottom and click Add Scene. Here, you'll be presented with scene suggestions like Good Morning or All Off. But we're going to create a custom scene, so select Use Custom Name to proceed. Let's name our scene Dinner Time. Next, you'll see an image relevant to your scene name. In this case, it's an image of food. Feel free to change this image now or later, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it. Now, on the scene customization screen, you can add actions, triggers, and responses. Let's begin by adding some scene actions. Tap the Add Action button to start. Then select Add Device. You will now see a list of devices in your home. For this scene, let's add 3 types of devices: lights, shades, and music. First, choose the lights. Next, select the lights you want to control. In this scene, let's select the dining room and kitchen lights. Once you have selected your lights, hit Add Device. Then, set these lights to 75% to create a nice ambience when sitting at the dinner table and press Done. You will see your action now in the action box. Next, add the shades by following the same steps. This time, however, only add the dining room shades. Set the shades to 50%, then press Done. Finally, let's add a music action using the text box. Just tap the text box and type in what you want, like play classical music in the great room. Feel free to choose any music for any room. We have now created a basic scene to transform our kitchen and dining room for dinner. To enhance this, let's add voice triggers. Add some fun phrases like "Let's eat" or "Dinner's ready" that will activate the scene. Once you have entered these, they can be used to trigger our scene. Additionally, we can set up automated triggers to activate scenes when specific conditions are met. To create an automation, click Add Trigger, and in this example, we'll set a specific time. Let's schedule it for around dinner time, say 7:30, and then hit Save. This trigger will automatically activate the scene daily. Lastly, let's make it more fun with a custom Josh response. Go to the Responses tab, select Use Custom Responses, and enter your desired responses. For this scene, let's add something fun like Bon Appetit. You can add as many responses as you would like, and Josh will select one at random. Your scene is now ready to be used. Activate it through any of the voice triggers or by selecting the play icon on the scene tile in the Scenes tab. We trust this guide on creating a basic scene with Josh was informative and inspiring. Give it a try and stay tuned for more Josh tips to enjoy your home intelligence experience to the fullest.